Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be showing you how to install a bit. First off, make sure your tool does not have power, so either disconnect the battery or unplug it from the wall outlet. Next, you need to locate your spindle lock and your collet lock. If we take a look at that collet lock, there is two arrows, one pointing one way and one pointing the other way. In those arrows, there's a little diagram of a lock that's locked and a lock that's unlocked. We're going to be turning this towards the locked position once we put our bit in, because we want that bit to be locked and tight in our collet. After you've loosened that collet, slip that bit in. It should go in nice and easily. Next, we need to depress both buttons and turn that collet in the direction that is locking our collet. Make sure it's in there good and tight. The last thing that I do is I take a rag and I grab onto that bit and give it just a gentle tug, just to make sure that it is in fact securely in there. I wouldn't want it to go flying off once I started it.